Hello children, I am Ganga Parameshwari, I am your Maths ma'am. Already we have completed 2 lessons, isn't it? Yes, so we have completed 2 lessons. Now we are going to see the 3rd lesson, add and subtract. That means addition and subtraction. Okay, so this topic will be very useful for you. Okay, so you can listen carefully and you can learn more in this lesson. So these addition and subtraction will be using in your practical life also. Okay, everyone take your Maths Studio. Take pencil along with you. Yes, now we are going to see the first part, addition. Okay, so 2 parts we are going to see, addition and subtraction, and in that we are going to see the first topic, addition. Okay, yes, take your bookmark. Now see, take your book, page number 43. Okay, now we are going to see the PIP activity 3.1. See here, Rita is making a bracelet with beads. Okay, so she's going to make a bracelet with beads. She uses 14 red beads and 15 blue beads. See the picture. Here they have given 14 beads and 15 blue beads. Okay. Put the beads together and find the total number of beads she used. So what they are telling, we want to put the beads together. So we want to put the beads together and we want to find the total number. So total number means we want to count all the red beads as well as blue beads. Okay. So together means total number of beads means you want to add the red beads as well as blue beads. Okay. So how many red beads we have? 14 red beads. How many blue beads we have? 15 blue beads. Now you want to add these two. Okay. See in this bowl 10 beads they have given. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so 10 plus 4, 14 beads we have. And here also in this bowl we have 10. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, so here 14 beads have, in this 15 blue beads we have. So you want to add these two. Okay, now see if you made a bracelet, which color would you like it to be? Okay, so which color you would like to make a bracelet, that color you want to write, either red or blue. Within these 2 colors only you want to write in this dash. Okay, here I have written blue color, blue beads. Okay, so here I have written blue beads. Like that you want to write which color you would like, either red or blue, that you want to write here. Okay, yes, it can be written as an addition fact as. Okay, so you want to add this 14 plus 15 beads, isn't it? See, they have given 14 red beads plus 15. So addition fact can be written as like this, 14 plus 15 equal to. Okay, you want to add these 2 beads. Okay, see in red beads we have 14 and you want to count this also. Count 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So total number of beads how much? Yes, 29. You want to write here 29. Okay. See, addition. We are going to see the topic addition. Spell along with me children. ADDITION. Addition. Repeat once again. ADDITION. Addition. Okay. Addition fact can be written as, so if we want to add 2 numbers means we will write like this. Okay, see 14 plus 15. You want to write like this. And see in this 14 plus 15 how much we wrote? 29, isn't it? So 14 red beads plus 15. If you add, you will get 29. So already we have written in studio also. So what is the answer? 29. We will be getting total number of beads. Okay. And addition fact also, see, plus is the symbol, that we call it as an addition. This is the symbol that means addition. Okay, so this is the symbol. This plus symbol means that addition. Okay, so addition means you want to add. Add means, see, this number and this number, between these two numbers we want to put the symbol like this. This means addition. This only we are going to learn deep in this topic. Okay, children? Yes. See, either you can write like this, otherwise addition can be shown as, see, the two numbers. So 14 red beads and 15 blue beads, isn't it? Yes, that you can write like this one by one. Okay, and you want to plus symbol in left side. Okay, so we are going to add. Additionally we are going to do. So that symbol you want to put left side of this number. And above these numbers you want to mention ones place, tens place. Already we have learnt, isn't it? 3-digit number. Ones, tens, 100. Yes. So like that, here the first number we call it as ones place and the second number we call it as a tens place. Okay. Now take your studio book, ma. Take page number 44. See here. When numbers more than 10 are to be added. Okay. So when numbers more than 10 are to be added, we first group them into tens and ones and then add them. So that means if you are adding more than 10 means you want to group them into tens and ones. Then only it will be easy for you. See here in pep activity, now we have 14 red beads and 15 blue beads, isn't it? Yes. See, they have grouped the tens. Okay, so 14 red beads, they grouped this number 14 as 10 in bold and 4 separately. Okay. So, if you group as tens and ones, you can add easily. This is the easiest method. Okay. So, see the 15 blue beads. For blue beads also, they have grouped as a tens and the remaining 5 beads as ones. Okay, like that you want to group the numbers as tens and ones if you want to add the numbers greater than 10, more than 10. If you want to add more than 10 means you want to group them into tens and ones. Okay. Now see here, ma. So you want to add these two numbers. Okay. I have shown in the notebook, no? So like that they have written in this book also. The number 14 red beads you want to write here and 15 blue beads. And the first number always we call it as a ones place and this number in tens place. In second lesson we used to write, no, like that you want to write above the number in ones place and the second one tens place. So how you will add? See, listen carefully. First you want to keep mind. Okay, so 4 in the mind. Okay, 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So you have to leave 5 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how you will count? So 4 in the mind. You want to keep 4 in the mind and 5 in the fingers. So 5 in the fingers means after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer here? 9. 9 is the answer. Okay, now see here in tens place, 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. Okay, so 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. So you want to write here 2. So what is the answer? 29. Okay, so 29 beads we have. See, in pep activity also we have counted, no? So 14 red beads and 15 red beads we have counted and we have written here the same answer we got here. So how you want to add? So once again I am telling, listen carefully. 4 in the mind and 5 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 5 fingers. So you want to count. So 9 is the answer. Next 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. So 2 you want to write. So 29 is the answer. Okay. Yes. Now see here. Putting together 2 or more quantities is called addition. What is that? Putting together 2 or more quantities is called addition. So together means putting together 2 or more quantities, we call it as addition. So spell that word ADDITION. 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 Okay, see, this we call it as a addition fact. Okay, the first number 14 red beads, that number we have written 14, and 15 blue beads we have written the number 15. And the first number we represent ones place, and the second number we call it as a tens place. That you want to write, and you want to add this number like this. Okay. See Kana, either you can follow this method, otherwise this method. Okay, greater than 10, if you want to add the numbers more than 10 means you can group as tens and ones. Okay, so you can group as tens and ones. See here 14 red beads and 15 blue beads. So this 14 number we grouped as 10 ones, 1 tens and 4 ones. And for 15 also 1 tens and 5 ones. We grouped like this and we added. Okay. So like that we can group like that. Otherwise you can do the addition fact like this also. See the activity 3.2. Putting together the given numbers to find the total, one has been done for you. See for example, one sum they have done for you. We can do the second sum. How we will do? Yes, very good. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Yes, after 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you want to write 7 here. Now see here Kana, one number is there. Here there is no number. Okay, here no number means, it means 0. There is no number. So what you have to do? This number you want to write as it is. So 1 in the mind. Okay, 0 in the fingers. So 0. 1 in the mind, 0 in the fingers. So after 1 here we have no fingers. So 1 is the answer. So you want to write 1. So what is the answer now? 17 is the answer. See the C sum. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. So you want to write here 6. And same thing, see the tens place. Here there is no number in tens place. So you want to put 0 here. Okay. So there is no tens. So that means there is no number. So the value is 0. And if you add 1 plus 0, answer is 1. Okay. 1 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So 1 is the answer. Okay. Yes. So these are the answers. Now children, it's the time for home fun. Okay. Take your companion book. Take page number 13. See, here they have given add the following. That means you want to add the numbers. See, they have given the addition fact. 23 plus 14. So for one example, I will return and I will show you. Okay. See, this is ones place and this is tens place. Okay. Yes. So, listen here. 23, 14. Okay. You want to write this number. The first number you want to write. 3 is in ones place and 2 in tens place. And 14 also you have to write like this. Okay. Yes. Now you want to add. How you will add? 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. Isn't it? Yes. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 you want to write here. Okay. Then 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 2, 3. So you want to write 3 here. Okay. So like that you want to write the answers in this box. Okay. So complete this home fun. Now see here Kana, we can see the addition sums. 2 more sums. Okay. See the first sum 35 and 46. Now what we are going to do? Add. Okay. So addition sums means we are going to add. You want to put the plus symbol. Okay. So plus means we are going to adding the numbers. Okay. So here you want to mention ones place and tens place. How you will add? 5 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. So after 5, that 6 fingers you want to count. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So you want to write 11. So 1 you want to write here and the remaining 1 you want to put carry over here. Okay. See this problem children. See the first sum, the number 35. Okay. And the second number also 35. Now what we are going to do this? We are going to add. Okay. Addition. Addition means plus symbol. Okay. So we are going to add these two numbers and you want to mention ones place and tens place. So shall we add this number? Yes. Very good. 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. Okay. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So you want to put for 10, 0 in ones place and 1 in this box. Okay. So 10 we are getting and you have to put that 0 in ones place and 1 in this box. Now what you have to do? Okay. 1 in the mind. See this number 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are getting 4. Isn't it? Here we are getting 4. Now what you want to do? 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to write the answer 7. Okay. See once again I will explain this sum. Listen carefully ma. See we have two numbers. Okay. 35 and 35. You want to add these two numbers. So if you are adding these two numbers you will put the addition symbol. Okay. How you will add? See from ones place only you want to start the addition. So you want to do the addition in ones place. 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. Okay. Yes. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So for the 10, you want to put 0 in ones place and 1 in this box. Now what you have to do? 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 you will be getting. Okay. Then again this 4 you have to keep in the mind. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to write 7. Okay. Either you can do like this. Otherwise, see here, carry over 1 you can write in this box. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4. Yes. So 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. You can write like that also. Okay. See the second sum. 12 number and 8. These two numbers you want to add. Okay. You want to do the addition. You want to put this symbol. Don't forget to put this symbol ma. Okay. This is very important for addition. This is the addition symbol. Okay. So 2 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 2, count. You have to leave 8 fingers in your hand. Okay. You have to leave 8 fingers in your hand. After 2, you count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also we are getting 10. You want to put 0 in one's place and 1 in this box. Carry over 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 1. Okay. 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. See, listen. 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. So 2 is the answer. See, listen here. Near 8 there is no number. So no number means it means 0. We have no number. Okay. So if you don't have any number, you don't bother. If you have any number, you want to add that number. But here there is no number. Okay. So it means that 0. If you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. See, 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. Okay, so 2 we are getting. 2 plus 0. That also 2. So what is the answer? 20. Okay. Do you understand, children? Yes. Okay, children. I hope you understand. Okay. So do complete the home fun and upload in the Chrysalis home app. Okay. We can see in the next session, children. Bye.